And it keeps getting worse for Ketanji Brown Jackson. Remember, she's the one who didn't know what a woman was. Yeah, now she just wants to give complete authority to the district courts. They can override anything that the president says. This is absolutely insane. Make sure you like the video right here, follow for more updates, and check this one out.
Joining us now is Article 3 Project founder, President Mike Davis. Mike, it's great to see you. So when Justice Jackson, when she was first nominated, there was a lot of criticism that she lacked enough judicial experience, particularly compared to some of her colleagues. She even admitted that she had a limited or lack of experience interpreting constitutional texts under her testimony during her confirmation hearing. So is that what we're seeing here? Just a lack of experience and a lack of constitutional knowledge?
Well, I think she has a lack of good judgment. She was a district court judge for many years on the D.C. District Court. President Biden elevated her to the D.C. District or D.C. Court of Appeals just for a minute before he nominated her to the Supreme Court. But as I said back then, if you are 6 Republican seats and 3 Democrat seats, you would want to put someone in that Democrat seat who's going to build bridges and maybe pick off one of the justices like Barrett or Kavanaugh or the Chief Justice. I think Justice Jackson's approach actually repels them.
Mike, can I ask you about a different part of her dissent? And this came up in the birthright citizenship case, which actually didn't decide that issue, but talked about the power of the lower courts, because you bring up that she was a district judge. She fights for that power for the district judges, basically saying that they have the pulse of what's happening on the ground. And it's important to include them in the process, but essentially giving district court judges that kind of power rewrites, I mean, it sets precedent in case law and it rewrites the Constitution. The opinions are at odds with the Constitution. That's the Supreme Court's job. That's not their job.
Yeah, I don't remember Justice Jackson calling for activist Republican judges to stop what President Biden was doing for 4 years. This is purely a partisan power move by Justice Jackson. She wants 800 district court judges around America to effectively have veto over the will of the American people. And we elected the President of the United States with a broad mandate to reduce the federal government, to secure our border, to expel these terrorists. It's these judicial activists, these Democrat judges who are sabotaging the will of the American people.